If you're a professional decorative artisan looking to push your craft to the next level, Lori Wilson's MIDAS metallization process offers a game-changing way to work with a real metal coating for your projects. Unlike traditional metallic finishes like acrylic paint or gold leaf, MIDAS uses a water-based acrylic binder, virtually odor-free, that mixes with genuine metal powders such as steel, brass, and copper. This patented binder is what makes the process unique, giving you results that can't be replicated by other products. In her workshop, Lori teaches artisans how to work with both thick and thin binders, mixing them precisely with metal pigments. The goal is to achieve a rich, layered metallic finish that can only come from real metal. It's not hard, but it does require some hands-on practice, especially in learning to use an orbital sander to sand and polish the surfaces.
The depth that you can get is truly what is unique, because gold leaf or gold paint, acrylic paint, can't allow for this, doesn't reveal this. Here's brass, which is a trend color, and then we're going to be doing copper in the class. It builds on what a decorative painter already knows, because like if you can see this matte product, this is primer and this is antique bronze. This is the sample, a version of this is what I'm going to prepare for each of the class participants. It's going to be cured and ready to sand and polish the day of class. So using sponges or any of these tools, trowels, a stipple brush, you know, your basic house paint brushes, you can do a strié or a dragging to create some of the things that I just showed.
Students leave the class with 4 custom sample boards, perfect additions to their portfolios, showcasing finishes that highlight depth and light in ways acrylics and traditional gold leaf can't match. While it's easy to learn, MIDAS is a technique that demands practice, especially as you move through the various grades of sandpaper to achieve a polished, high-shine effect. Safety's also a priority. Since these are real metal pigments, everyone is required to wear respirators to avoid inhaling fine metal particles during the process. The key takeaway? MIDAS metallization opens up new possibilities for artisans, offering a way to create stunning, high-end finishes that will stand out in your portfolio and impress your clients. This straightforward process can elevate your work to new heights with just a little practice. The workshop will be featured at the IDAL Convention from November 3rd to 7th in St. Charles, Missouri. Join fellow decorative artists and connect with the creative community by clicking the links below in the video description.